What's the meaning of count noun? Count noun. Count noun.
Count noun. Count noun. A count noun is a type of noun that can be counted and quantified. Count nouns refer to objects, people, or concepts that can be expressed in singular or plural form, and they are often preceded by a number, an article, or a demonstrative pronoun. Examples of count nouns include dog, book, and idea. Count nouns can be distinguished from non-count or mass nouns, which refer to substances or ideas that cannot be counted, such as water or wisdom. Understanding the distinction between count and non-count nouns is important for proper grammar usage and sentence construction.